These are the Mabett Floor Mats for the Ford Maverick pickup truck. They are made out of a thermoplastic elastomer, or TPE for short, which is both water and stain resistant and also super easy to clean. Created from a 3D scan, the mats fit extremely well and snug inside the Maverick. Compared to the original carpet mats, the Mabett floor mats offer more coverage, especially in the area directly underneath the gas pedal. Also included in the kit is a bed mat and door seal protectors for both the front and the rear. Overall, I'd say these mats are a huge improvement over the original carpet mats.